Welcome to this tutorial on how to hide your birthday on Facebook using a PC. In this video, we'll walk you through the simple steps to keep your special day private. First, open your web browser and head to facebook.com. Once you're logged in, you'll see your profile photo at the top right corner of the screen. Click on it to enter your profile page. Here, you'll see various tabs like Posts, About, Friends, and more. Click on the About tab to view the information displayed about you. In the About section, scroll down until you see your birthday listed. Next to your birthday, you'll notice an audience icon, which looks like a globe or a people icon, depending on your current settings. Click on this icon to change who can see your birthday. A drop-down menu will appear with options like Public, Friends, Only Me, or Custom. If you want to keep your birthday completely private, choose Only Me. This setting ensures that only you can view your birthday, and it won't be visible to anyone else on Facebook. Once you've selected Only Me, click Done to save your changes. You can also apply this setting to your birth year if you wish to keep that private as well. Simply repeat the same steps for the birth year section. By following these steps, you can easily hide your birthday on Facebook and avoid unwanted notifications or messages from friends and acquaintances. This is especially useful if you prefer not to celebrate your birthday publicly, or if you simply want to maintain more privacy on the platform. Remember, Facebook allows you to customize who sees your information, so you can choose to share your birthday with specific friends or keep it entirely private. This flexibility gives you control over your online presence and helps you manage your personal data effectively. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and we hope you found it helpful in keeping your birthday private on Facebook.